No, you had it right the other way.
This way.
Yep.
Okay. Now, can you go in the curtain? But come in my curtain. Okay, go in your curtain. But not to you come in my curtain. I'm not. I'm gonna tell everyone what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna tell stuff. Okay, tell them. You need this, okay? No, I need to hold it. I won't. This is mine, right? Daddy, you're gonna be blocking the songs.
How?
Cause you're not. I gonna get the blanket. You're gonna take it. Please, you need to tell the kids what we're gonna do. Alright.